Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to welcome you to Heraklion when the local time here is 11:45, that's 2 hours ahead of the UK. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the seatbelt signs have been switched off. Be careful when opening overhead lockers in case items have moved during landing. Please have a good look in your seat pockets and around the floor and make sure you have all your personal items with you. May I remind you that smoking is not permitted on the journey to the terminal or in the terminal itself. If you do require wheelchair assistance, we do please ask that you remain seated until the cabin crew can assist you further. Once again, we'd just like to say thank you on behalf of Jet2.com and Jet2 Holidays operated by Titan Airways today. So we thank you for flying with us and we do hope you have a fantastic holiday. Thank you and a very good morning.